Hello and welcome to today's video. If you've been searching for the perfect microphone in 2024, whether you're a musician, podcaster, content creator, or aspiring sound engineer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the best microphones of 2024. We're not just talking about the high-end, super expensive models. No, we're focusing on microphones that offer the perfect balance of quality and price, making sure you get the most value for your hard-earned money. In the world of audio equipment, microphones are one of the most crucial investments you can make. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one will give you the best sound quality without breaking the bank? That's exactly what we're going to explore today, and I'll walk you through some of the top choices for every budget, from entry-level to professional-level microphones. Why quality and price matter. First, let's talk about why this balance of quality and price is so important. If you've ever purchased audio equipment, you know that it's easy to get lost in the technical jargon. Frequency response, impedance, cardioid pattern, etc. But at the end of the day, your microphone needs to serve one main purpose: capturing clear, crisp sound that accurately represents your voice or instrument. If you're a beginner or a hobbyist, you probably don't need the top-of-the-line microphone with a price tag that can set you back a few $1,000s. However, if you're a professional who wants studio-quality recordings for clients or commercial purposes, you'll want something that stands out in both quality and reliability. So, what are the best microphones for 2024? Let's break it down. 1. Best budget microphone. Audio-Technica AT2020. Let's start with a budget-friendly option. If you're just getting into podcasting, streaming, or recording at home, the Audio-Technica AT2020 is hands down one of the best microphones for the price in 2024. It's a cardioid condenser microphone that offers exceptional sound clarity at an affordable price, typically around $100. The AT2020 features a broad frequency response range, which means it captures both high and low frequencies with excellent detail. Its cardioid polar pattern focuses on capturing sound directly in front of the microphone, which makes it ideal for reducing background noise in home studios or live streaming setups. Why do I love this mic? It's perfect for entry-level users who still want professional-sounding recordings, and its build quality is durable enough to handle everyday use. Plus, Audio-Technica's reputation for making reliable, affordable equipment only adds to its value. 2. Best mid-range microphone, Shure SM7B. Next up is the Shure SM7B. At around $400, the Shure SM7B is a dynamic cardioid microphone that is considered a staple in both professional recording studios and live performance setups. It's incredibly versatile, making it ideal for podcasts, vocals, instrumental recordings, and broadcasting. In fact, this mic is so highly regarded that it's used by top artists, producers, and radio hosts. What makes the SM7B stand out? First, it's known for its exceptional noise rejection. The dynamic design of the mic allows it to reject unwanted background sounds and focus entirely on the sound source in front of it, which is perfect for capturing rich, clear audio in any environment. This makes it perfect for untreated rooms, which many of us have to deal with when recording at home or in smaller spaces. The SM7B also has a wide frequency response and comes with a built-in air suspension system that reduces mechanical noise and vibrations, perfect for vocal recordings where clarity is key. Whether you're recording vocals for a track, voiceovers, or hosting a podcast, the SM7B gives you professional-grade sound at a reasonable price. 3. Best high-end microphone, Neumann U87. Now, let's move into premium territory. If you're ready to invest in top-tier sound quality and you're willing to spend some serious money on your microphone, the Neumann U87 is still, year after year, one of the best studio microphones on the market. Priced around $3,500, the U87 is a large diaphragm condenser microphone that has been used on countless Grammy-winning tracks. What makes this mic so special is its ability to capture sound with extraordinary detail. It's considered the gold standard for vocals, acoustic instruments, and even broadcasting. It features switchable polar patterns, cardioid omnidirectional, and figure 8, giving it incredible flexibility in any studio environment. The U87 is a dream microphone for professionals who need a mic that not only delivers clear and transparent sound, but also captures the nuance and depth of every performance. If you're a professional musician, producer, or sound engineer looking for an investment that will elevate your studio, the Neumann U87 is an industry standard that will never disappoint. 4. Best USB Microphone, Blue Yeti X. For creators who are looking for the best microphone without needing an audio interface, the Blue Yeti X is one of the best USB microphones available in 2024, and it's priced at about $170. The Blue Yeti X is extremely popular among content creators, streamers, and podcasters because of its incredible ease of use and versatile features. It offers 4 polar patterns, cardioid omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo, making it adaptable for almost any situation. The audio quality of the Yeti X is superb for its price range, capturing detailed sound for voiceovers, interviews, or solo broadcasts. It also includes an integrated LED meter to monitor your input level in real time, which is super handy when you're live streaming or recording on the go. If you want to start recording high-quality audio without the hassle of buying extra gear, the Blue Yeti X is an excellent choice for those on a mid-range budget who don't want to sacrifice sound clarity or performance. 5. Best for streaming, Rode NT-USB Mini. If you're a streamer or podcaster looking for an easy-to-use, space-saving microphone with professional sound, the Rode NT-USB Mini is an excellent option. Priced around $100, this USB condenser mic is compact yet powerful. The NT-USB Mini offers crystal-clear audio quality, with its cardioid pickup pattern, designed to reject unwanted noise from the sides and back, focusing only on the sound directly in front of it. The mic also features a built-in pop filter, which helps reduce plosives, those annoying P and T sounds that can distort recordings. Its plug-and-play functionality makes it super easy for streamers or home recording enthusiasts who want quality without the complexity of additional gear. Whether you're hosting a live session or recording a video podcast, the Rode NT-USB Mini delivers professional results for a fraction of the price of traditional XLR microphones. Conclusion. So, to summarize, if you're looking for the best microphone in 2024 that balances price and performance, here are my top picks. For a budget-friendly option, the Audio-Technica AT2020 is hard to beat for its incredible sound quality at under $100. For a mid-range choice, the Shure SM7B offers fantastic versatility and is a go-to for many professionals in the industry. If you're looking to splurge, the Neumann U87 delivers unparalleled audio quality and is a true industry standard. For USB mic lovers, the Blue Yeti X and Rode NT-USB Mini both offer great sound for creators looking for simplicity and convenience. At the end of the day, the best microphone for you will depend on your specific needs, whether it's for home recording, professional studio work, or streaming. But no matter your budget, there's a microphone out there that can help you capture rich, clear audio and take your recordings to the next level.